In paint polishing, there's a joy in using a fresh pad, but how long they last depends on several factors: heat management, pad cleaning, and application technique. Breaking the job into manageable sections allows for efficient pad rotation, minimizing heat and paint residue buildup. Essentially, the more pads you rotate, the longer they all will last. Using just one pad for an entire car will lead to premature wear. We recommend having at least 2 pads per vehicle, but having 4 or more is even better. We suggest cleaning your pads after each panel. This resets performance, reducing stress on the pad and keeps them cooler. For technique, remember 3 key points. Use reduced pressure, keep the pad flat to the surface, and maintain a shorter cycle time to extend pad life. Avoid rough treatment around badges, sharp edges, and corners. Once a pad sustains a cut or a chunk, it degrades rapidly, so handle with care. By being mindful of these factors, you can extend the life of your pads and continue achieving high-quality finishes that you love.